Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna describe something that is really important if you are already driving in Canada or if you are gonna start driving. So before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, this I'm gonna explain with respect to an incident where luckily the outcome was very satisfactory and positive. So today morning I got a call from my tenants. They were not at home, they were on Highway 401 and they were on their way to Montreal, okay, to celebrate some holidays. They were panicking. From their voice itself, I understood that something was not right. So I asked them what happened. So they said they were on Highway 401 and they were somewhere near Oshawa on the way to Montreal. All of a sudden, their tire got burst, okay, and they really did not know what to do. So my first question to them was, if they had any roadside assistance. The answer was no. Guys, never do this. You must have a roadside assistance because such issues don't happen always. But when they happen without any warning. And if you're not prepared with a reliable roadside assistance with good network connectivity, you could be in trouble. Okay, so I first told them calm down. I asked them what happened to their tire, if they had a tire plug-in kit that they can use. So they said they no, they did not have it. So I said, okay, next time you can have it. I always carry, but right now because they did not have the plug-in kit, so they cannot troubleshoot it on their own. So they really needed the solution. The very first thing I told them that do not let any random tow truck coming to rescue you, okay? Because once you hook your car with them, if that guy is not honest, you could be in a trouble. Because recently there have been many cases of tow truck industry scams. So that is why only uh, let your car to get hooked by someone you have actually called for. Okay, so they asked, so what to do next? So I told them that I use CAA, Canadian Automobile Association, because apart from roadside service, they have so many additional benefits. Like I go to Shell stations, I get 3 cents per liter discount. If I go to Dulux Paint, and there's so many shops where I get significant discount. Even CA travel sites, I book hotels, and many times I have find cheaper than uh, even the group's website. So that has been amazing, right? So I told them that all these benefits I get. So they were reluctant to get it, but they had to do something. So I also shared Canadian Tire roadside assistance, and I told like you can call both of them, whichever works for you. So they called CA first, and CA people told them about the membership, and because I was using it and they trusted me, they accepted the membership. So they were right away signed up over the phone for the membership, and the help was dispatched to them. Help reached them in some time, and uh, and the guy from CAA who came in a marked CAA tow truck changed their tire, okay, and also now after the tire change they could not drive all the way to Montreal, because with your spare tire you cannot drive on highway, right? There are speed limits you must follow for safety reason. So what they did, from the next exit they exited from highway, they went to a tire shop which was also CA affiliated. They got even additional discount because of their CA membership. They got new tire on their car and then they drove, and they called me later on and they thanked me so many times because they were really panicking. So guys, this gives a lesson to all the current drivers and all in future in Canada, that first of all, two things. First of all, you must have roadside assistance, and also when you are going for, like, if you want your car to be towed, always let the tow truck guy who you have called for, because you never know, if a guy all of a sudden show up, maybe he does not have good intention. So maybe always hook up your car with someone you have called for. Okay, that's what I wanted to convey. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.